Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. At tayo bibisita ngayon dito sa Barangay Batis Covered Court. Ayan. Para bisitahin ang kanilang championship game. This is the midget division. First game natin, Isla Fire Nation versus the San Jose. Balita ko, battle of undefeated to sa magkabilang bracket. Tingnan natin ngayon kung sino ang tatanghaling kampiyon ngayong taon para sa ating midget division championship game sa Barangay Batis. Ayan, muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga dito sa Barangay Batis. Let's go! Hey. Good luck, boys! Shoutout po sa ating mga kasama natin. Hey, gawin naman kayo dyan. Naman tayo sa ating mga audience, sa ating mga kabarangay. Team-is na tayo. Isla Fire Nation. Stop dito. Stop. Let's go! Oy! tayo. Let's go. Good luck mga boys.
Ayan po, sa ating magcha-champion, we will receive 7,000 cash. And to our first runner-up, we will receive 5,000 pesos. And to our second runner-up, we will receive 3,000 pesos. And to our MVP, we will receive 1,000 cash certificate. And to our sister MVP, we will receive 1,000 cash.
Simula na po tayo, maya-maya lamang sa ating pagbabalik.
Okay po, sa lahat po ng players natin, lahat po ng may mga accessories sa katawan, pakitanggal lamang po upang maiwasan po natin ang ating mga kasugatan o insidente. Para sa lahat ha, warning nga para sa lahat na hindi nakataking. Taking na tayo, bawat pumasok ha. Kapag pumasok tayo na hindi nakataking, tignan na tayo ha.
Let's go!
Kasi ulit ko naman po sa voting, head coach naman po ang nag-output sa kanilang bench. Inuulit ko po, then mag-tapping na po sa mga players.
Para sa Team San Jose, ang mga naka-blue. Let's go!
Okay, para sa kalinawan naman po na lahat, wala na po tayong 25 dahil nandito na po tayo sa ating championship game. Ipasok na po ang inyong mga best player. And now, let's go to our first quarter championship game. It's the Versus San Jose.
Okay, let's go! Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon? San Jose versus Isla Fire Nation. Let's go! First ball, mapupunta sa mga naka-blue. And the first shot, basket is good by jersey number 16 of San Jose. There we go. Fake, Riodige. Number 1 for 3, no good. And there's a foul. Attacking the basket, no good. There we go. And that's a steal again, naka-recover. Number 8 na bitawan ang bola. Blue ball. Number 6 to number 16 for 3, wala. There's a foul. Number 28. Shooting at the line, jersey number 98, Given Galindez. First shot, no good.
Bagong dating, Abad.
Basket. 3-0 ang ating talaan. 3-point by Riodige. Number 5, no good. Uy, no good. Rebound by number 5, but there's a foul. Sub.
Aaron, tam-tam.
Second shot, no good. Rebound by number 12. Number 28, no good. Number 1 for 3, wala. Ayun na ang San Jose, number 25. Basket. Oh, Herano steal. Nagpapadali, number 16 to Given and one. Basket count and one by Given Galindez. Timeout, Isla Fire Nation. The official scores 6-3. Time remaining 7 minutes and 44 seconds. Yan natin ang adel ni Coach Fabroa. Alright, back to the ball game. Bonus free throw para kay Given Galides. Ay, ito. Thank you. Wait up. Thank you. Follow lang din po. Thank you. Okay, shooting on the line, jersey number 26. Rodike, no good. Second shot para kay Rodike. Basket. Four. Ito, dalawa.
Depensa lang.
Okay, 5-6 tayo. Down by 1 ang San Jose. Number 5, basket. Tama. 8-5. Ay! 2 points pala, 2 points, sorry. What na? 11-8 pala, sorry.
Aaron, baba ka na. Hey, bola!
Okay, official score po natin is 11-8.
Aaron, sa kabila ka.
Correction po tayo dun, ha? San Jose Basketball. Rodike for the ring. Grabe, isang Rodike. Anong papakitang gilas din. Tabla tayo sa 11. Number 16 for 3. Nakasagot si number 16. There's a foul. Ready, go. On the free throw. 8 daw, 8. Basket by jersey number. Wala. Tayo. Number 31 short and gets the shot para sa putback. Given attacking the basket and 1 by Given Galides. Shot para kay Ben. No good. Sorry, correction. That's a bonus shot. 17-13 tayo. Oh! Steal by number 2. Steal din ng Isla. Uy! Sayang yan.
Hey, bola! Bola!
Out of bounds. Gets a 3, no good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Pinasa sa corner for 3. In and out. Rebound by number 9. And there's a foul. Shooting in the line of jersey number 9 from Isla Fire Nation. Basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Kiben. Kiben nagmamadali. Drop pass, no good. Rebound ng Isla. There's a foul. Free throw area, jersey number 98, Given Galindez. Oh, good.
Jinjin! Jinjin!
Second shot, basket. 18-14. Number 3. Gets the 3. No good. Number 31, extra pass. Oy. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Cassidy, wala. Rebound by number 22. Out of bounds. Isla Fire Nation basketball.
Andrew, bola!
Oopsie, that's a traveling violation. Out for 2, no good. What a pass. Uy, wala. Rebound. Sayang. Bola rito ng Isla Fire Nation. Number 3. Nasa corner. 84-second shot clock violation. Given basket. Extra pass, and there's a foul. Number 98, given that is second personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throw para kay jersey number 9. No good. That is Abad. Second shot para kay Abad. Basket! Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. (20-15). Baba sa limang-lamang ng San Jose. Ew, bad pass. Meron na recover. Oy! That is a backward violation. Or out of bounds. Rep. Sakit lang, rep. That's a traveling. Last 2 minutes tayo sa ating first quarter. Oh, still ng Isla. Side step, drop pass to number 3. Short. With a put back. He get their own miss. Baba sa talong lamang. There's a foul. Number 16 on the free throw area. Wala. Arnaiz sa mga star player ng San Jose at ng FBA Warriors. Oh, good. Rebound. Ayan na, number 31. Kick out for 3. Short. Rebound by number 5 and out of bounds. San Jose basketball. Ito. Official scores 19. There's a foul. shots by jersey number 2. Starac. 21-19 para sa San Jose. Basket is good. 22-19. 3-point lead. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Stop and pump, no good. Rebound. Number 3, there's a foul. Basket. Last 48 seconds. Number 3 to Purdue. 22-21. Down by 1. Last 48 seconds. Number 2. Ayun na, triple team. Number 16. And that's a traveling violation by Cristobal. Ayan na ang Isla Fire Nation. Number 29, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Hindi na magawan. Number 5. Fade away shot. No good. Rebound by number 31. Ayan na, number 31. Na-atake. Up and under. No good. Number 31 with defender on miss. Last 9 seconds. 9 seconds na lamang po ang natitira. 5, 3, 2, 1, and there you have it. Alright, and at the first quarter official score 23-22 in favor of the Isla Fire Nation. Second quarter tayo. Yan natin muna ang huddle ng Isla Fire Nation. Okay, back to the ball game. Sila daw.
Hello, inuulit ko po, isa naman po ang kailangan sa bench, head coach lamang po. Inuulit ko po both teams, head coach lamang po ang nakaupo sa kanilang bench. Kapatid po tayo.
Kailangan dami, oh.
Oy, wala. Rebound by Given. Given from elbow 3, in and out. Rebound by number 8, steal by number 6. Fake, jump shot is good. Change favor, balik ang Kalamangan sa San Jose.
Ito, sige nito.
bounds. Fake. Oy, steal. Ayun na, tumatakbo si number 6. Pass to Given. To number 16 for 3. 3-point by Arnaiz. Babawi sa 3 at nakasagot ang Fire Nation. Arnaiz binigay. Oy! Grabe, taas nun. Naipasok pa. Warning. Dito ang San Jose. Visual score po natin, 29-28. 1-point lead para sa San Jose. Top of the key for 3. Yes, para sa 3. For jersey number 8. Balik ang kalamangan sa Isla. Given, dire-diretso, no good. Rebound ng Isla. Binigay. Ayan na. Number 9 to number 8. Oh! Oopsie, still. Ayan na si number 24. Oh, still. By Given. Nagmamadali. Dire-diretso. Lola. Rebound ng Isla. Number 8, Alium. Number 12. Ay, wala pa rin. Rebound ng San Jose. Number 6, crossover. Wall, side step. Up and under. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Sayang yun. Ayan na. Pass to number 24. Ooh, stepping out the line.
Uy, huwag kayo magmadali. Sige na. Soda lang. Ate, sige, huwag kayo magmadali.
Arnaiz. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound ng Isla. Yuri, top of the key for 3. 3-point by jersey number 8. Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng Isla. Given, may tangan ng bola. Given. Crossover. Floater. Basket yan para kay Given.
Balik.
34-31. Hand off to number 8. Pass to number 2. Down. Napapakamot si Kagawa Junel doon. Arnaiz. Pass to number 98. Given sa malaksak. Wala. Rebound ng San Jose. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Yuri, drop pass. Number 24. Nakuha na board. Ayan na. Uy! Offensive foul by Cristobal. Time out, San Jose. Official score 34-31 in favor pa rin sa Isla Fire Nation. Si Kagawad na pala to, Martin. Yan natin ang huddle ng San Jose. Okay, back to the ball game. (31-34). Time remaining 5 minutes and 59 seconds.
Balik mo.
Bola na ang Isla Fire Nation. Uy, foul. Number 25. Gets that three-point by Yabuet. Number 24. Arnaiz babawi sa tres. Yes, sir. By Arnaiz. Nakasagot agad doon ang San Jose. Yuri. Uy. Ayun na. Over number 8. Number 8, stop and pump. Wala. Rebound by Giben. Outlet pass to Arnaiz all the way. Basket. 37-38. Babawi sa tres. Short. Ayan na ang San Jose, number 6. Wala. Out of bounds. Last touch. Stop. Time remaining 4 minutes and 35 seconds on the free throw. Correction. San Jose Basketball. Arnaiz tatanggap. Tinira sa tres. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Oh, steal by Cristobal. And out of bounds. Time remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Bola ng Isla Fire Nation. Hand off to number 31. Oh, steal by number 6. Pass to Giben. Derecho! Sumabay ka pa, sabi ni Giben. Ayun na, babawi dito ang Isla. Number 29, top of the key for 3. At nakasagot na nga ang Fire Nation Isla. Balik ang kalamangan sa Isla. Given, cross. Given, pass to number 5. Spin, floater, wala. Rebound ng Isla. Ayun na, nagmamadali sa number 29. Nakalusot. Number 29, derecho, wala, rebound. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Ayun na, number 29 from elbow 3, wala. Rebound by number 31, drop pass. Uy, tumama sa board. Ayun na, outlet pass. Pass number 22, wala. Rebound by Rodriguez. Pass number 1 to number 26. 29 to number 31 from elbow 3, no good. Rebound by Arnaiz. Ayun na si Arnaiz, nagmamadali. Crossover and tumira and there is a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 16, Arnaiz. Naglalag ako ah. First shot, no good. Time remaining 2 minutes and 53 seconds.
Moy, overget. Moy.
Number 29 for 3. Wala. Rebound by Galindez. Ayan na, sige Ben, all the way. Tabla tayo sa 40. Stepping on the line. Bola ng San Jose. Jam shot, no good. Steal, rebound. Rio Diken, nabitawan. Steal by Given. Sa corner, side step to number 5. Wala, rebound by number 31. Number 29. Uy, no good. Rebound by number 5. Arnaiz nagmamadali. Pinigay kay Given. Given on those shot. And one. By Given Galindez. Time out. Isla Fire Nation. Tingnan natin ang handle ng Isla dito. Time remaining 1 minute and 53 seconds. Tingnan natin ang handle ni Coach Kagawad Fabroa. Andrew, kaya mo naman eh. Bibilin mo ko. And the free throw area, bonus shot by Given. Number 29, side step, blocked by Given. Given, nagmamadali, and there is a foul. Yeah, hello. Luka, 40! Sorry, di ko na.
Face off lang, face off.
Prep. Wala ko na, ano. Thank you. Given again, nagmamadali. Diretso. Oopsie. Bagal na. Basket. Ayun na. Cristobal. Given. Spin. Oh, traveling violation. Time out. Shoutout po kayo sa ating... Hello po, shoutout. Sino ba?
Gimal din ako libre.
Ayan o.
Happy birthday party sa SK Council Music Division. Kasama po natin sa SK Chairman Shirina and SK.
Ayan o, hello po.
SK nagawad na may bagong account.
Ayan. Thank you. Kagawad, SK. And kasama natin ang ating chairman, si Mrs. Stan. Thank you. Okay, back to the ball game. Time remaining, last 45 seconds. Let's go. Bola ng Isla Fire Nation. Binigay sa corner, Rodique. No good. Rebound by Arnaiz. Oh. There's a foul. Last 32 seconds. Arnaiz laban kay Rodique. Rodique. Uy. Bad pass. Number 29, nakalusot pero nandun para sa putback. Si number 31. Another steal. Oh, he get a miss. Tumira sa tres. End of the first half. 44 to 46 in favor of the San Jose. Okay, magkakat po muna tayo for the meantime. Para sa ating halftime. Magbabalik tayo. Magkakat po muna tayo for the meantime, ha. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.